Guys, I'm here at Hawks Outdoors and I'm super pumped to now introduce our Bakcou line of bikes here. From if you want 25-mile-an-hour bikes, 10-mile-an-hour bikes, up to 60 miles, we're doing. Guys, I want to introduce to y'all one of our new cooler products here at Hawks Outdoors, the Kodiak all-wheel drive e-bike. Yes, e-bike. So it doesn't matter if you're in city or out on the trails, this thing will get you anywhere you want to go. So if you're like me, you're a big hunter and you want to go out on the trails, but you don't want to, hike the 6, 7, 8 miles for the day, this thing on one battery charge will get you up to 55 miles and up to 25 miles out, which is completely wild. Or if you're not somebody on that side of the spectrum, you just like to be in city, like to go for a cruise, but you're tired, you don't want to use your Mitsubishi and doing so many pedaling, hey, get on this throttle, and how I said, it'll take you as long as you want, anywhere you want to go. So, little rundown of the bike real quick. This is your actual battery, so it's a simple 110 charge with an easy plug right here to any basic plug inside of your house. You have your throttle, you have your gas, you have your little computer here. That way you can switch the gears from either a 5 power to all the way down to 1 power, whatever happens to be, whatever mood you're in. If you feel like going real fast, you kind of want to go slow, whatever the day happens to be. It's also really cool. You have an awesome, extremely bright LED light right here, right up front. That way you're still cruising at night, you have no worries, you're going to be seen for a long time. So guys, please come see us. And what I'll do today is see you out the trails. See y'all.